Hi friends, welcome. I'm Ismail Uzman. I am Energy Hunter at Alfa Laval. Today we're going to look at how to recover waste heat from flash steam. You know, flash steam exists in all steam systems, and approximately 5 to 10% of the boiler capacity is released as flash steam. And you can see flash steam in everyday life, whether you're driving past industry, hotels, hospitals, just about everywhere. And here is a look at flash steam from a hotel laundry, which is about 50 to 100 kilograms per hour. And this is how it was before we helped to recover the heat. Now let's look at a simple flow diagram of flash steam heat recovery, also condensate subcooling. The dotted lines that you see here are our solution for the heat recovery. And the plate heat exchanger in the middle is our heat recovery unit. And on the right-hand side, you can see the condensate subcooling. If you are throwing out the condensate, we can certainly help to recover the heat from that as well. And the flash drum is basically a cyclone separator to separate the flash steam from the condensate. Now, recovering flash steam is quite simple and trouble-free with Alfa Laval's offering of a dedicated plate heat exchanger to do the job. Now, steam heat exchangers are opposite to that of water-water heat exchangers. Steam heat exchangers must be short and fat, and that allows us to have larger connections. And these larger connections mean lower steam velocity at the connections. And similarly, we have also large channel gap to make sure that the pressure drop through the unit is as low as possible, because we don't have too much pressure to work with when it is flash steam. Let's look at the calculation of the savings and the return on investment. And on here, we're going to take an example of 100 kilogram per hour, just like the hotel laundry that we looked at before. 100 kilograms per hour of flash steam. I mean, the rule of thumb is that flash steam carries about 500 kilocalories per kilogram. So when you do the sum and the numbers, you get 58 kilowatt of heat recovery. It doesn't seem much, but when you calculate the savings, it is huge. So in this 58 kilowatts that we recover, based on 10 cent euro per kilowatt hour of natural gas, it calculates to 46,000 euro in annual energy savings. And if we divide that, it's about just under 4,000 euro a month. I repeat, 4,000 euro a month. That is a lot of money, with the assumptions that we have on the bottom line here. Now, equivalent carbon emission savings is 232 tons of carbon dioxide per year. Also, to look at the total investment, including the heat exchanger, we are about, it depends on the automation level that you are looking at. And it would range between 20 to 40,000 euro for this application. That means a return on investment of 5 to 10 months. And that's under 1 year, If the natural gas cost, as it was back in September, something like 30 cents per kilowatt hour, then the return on investment will be down as 2 to maybe even 5 months. There's no time to waste. Let's catch that steam, friends. So what we want to do is to help you to save energy and help you with your profits and to improve those. We have our Energy Hunters at Alfa Laval, and we have Energy Hunter partners globally who are ready to help you to save energy. And all you need to do is send an email to energyhunter@alfalaval.com, and we will reply for your questions. Please remember that you can save energy from flash steam, as we discussed, but also from your chillers. Imagine you can turn your chiller off 20 days a year. Imagine the savings in electricity. With air compressors, I mean, we see so many air compressors that are just letting the heat from the air compressor go out into atmosphere. Please stop. Let us help you to recover heat from your air compressors. Cooling towers, I mean, the troubles and the problems that you have with your condensers from cooling towers, we can help you to save energy in that application as well. And wastewater, friends, every drop is money, so please don't let it just flow away. So with this, we conclude our session. This was the first in a series that we are planning. And we welcome you to write your questions on the comment section for the next 2 hours, where our panel will be able to reply to your questions to save energy. Thank you for listening, and good luck in your journey to help save our planet.